What are common things that are not covered that people usually think are covered, but I mean, I guess you could do so many different things.
Yeah, I will say in state of Ohio on an HO3 or HO5 policy, there's very few exclusions, but some are. Most homeowners policies, depending on the area, they aren't covered for flood insurance. That's where you would want to work with your agent and see about where you are as far as being in a flood zone. Things that are also not included, seepage. So water over time coming in within your home, because obviously that is homeowners responsibility to make sure that everything's staying dry, and that if they see anything that they correct it. People have mice or rodents, things like that, those are not covered. But fun fact, I will leave you with this, bats are covered under an HO3 or HO5 policy because they are considered flying mammals.
What about unicorns?
Not covered.
Okay. What would you say to someone who is looking for, I guess, maybe the best coverage for the smallest price?
Maximizing your potential as far as coverages and premium goes, because obviously I'm not, none of us are blindsided that price is obviously going to be a factor, but unfortunately I always say if it's too good to be true, it probably is. I will say for first-time buyers or even buyers who haven't shopped for insurance and they're buying a new property, please, please, please be open to bundling. The insurance market continues to sort of recover from what has been considered one of the hardest markets we've seen in 20 years, and carriers are much more generous when it comes to prices, coverages, when we bundle.